Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of short grain rice, a good quality curry powder, and your favorite vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Don't forget your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or a plant-based option. We'll also use cooking oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger to build our flavor base. Now, let's get cooking. Start by preparing your rice. Cook 2 cups of short grain rice according to package instructions for fluffy, separate grains. While the rice cooks, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and sauté until translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger, cooking for another minute until aromatic. With our aromatics ready, it's time to build the curry sauce. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry powder, stirring constantly for about 1 minute to toast the spices and release their full aroma. Next, pour in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and 1 can of diced tomatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your pre-cooked protein, such as chicken or beef, and any remaining vegetables to the simmering curry sauce. Continue to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring the protein is thoroughly heated and the vegetables reach your desired tenderness. Serve your delicious curry generously over the fluffy rice. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.